Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be making butter crumble corn muffins. In a small bowl, you'll combine half a cup of all-purpose flour, a third cup of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. Use a fork to mix everything together. Then add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter that's been melted, and again use your fork to fluff it together until coarse crumbles form. Then set the bowl aside. Next, you'll combine 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of fine yellow cornmeal, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Use a whisk to whisk everything together until it's well combined. Next, you'll add 1 large egg, a half a cup of buttermilk, a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter that's been melted, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and 2 tablespoons of wildflower honey. Again, you're going to whisk until there are no clumps left, then cover and chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Fill a standard 12-count muffin pan that's been lined with cupcake liners, each about 3/4 of the way full of your batter. Then spoon a generous spoonful of your crumble topping over each of your muffins and press gently to make sure they stick. You'll bake your muffins in an oven that's been preheated to 425 degrees for 5 minutes. After that, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees, leaving your muffins in the oven, and you're going to cook for an additional 12 to 15 minutes or until a cake tester inserted into the center comes out nice and clean. Let your muffins cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then remove and cool on a wire rack. And with that, our butter crumble corn muffins are done. They're delicious and they're such a great way to start your day. Thanks again for joining me today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me again next week.